Hi guys, it's me, Levi. We got the December Cat Lady box. I'll see if Levi is gonna stay up here and help me unbox or not. He's a cat. I can't control him. But this is the December box. I got it yesterday. Look at the really pretty artwork. The artwork is by Angie so sorry, Angie. Angie Rosellar, AngieRosellar.com art. I'm going to show you everything in this box, and hopefully, Levi's gone. He's gone. We got two cat toys. First one is a Merry Monster. It's full of catnip. I always say, like, if catnip would get me high, I'd be high as a kite from these toys because they are full of catnip. And this one is like a candy wheel. We call it the Perfect Mint Toy, catnip toy. Really cute toys. Two toys for your babies. Okay, let's get on to the other stuff. It's Saturday morning. I haven't really quite woken up yet. I've had my coffee, but that's about it. Here's the t-shirt. It is really lovely. It has these little calico kitties. Isn't that cute? Isn't that the cutest shirt? It says cats, a sign of good taste. Yes, good taste. I think that's a hint for what's also in this box. So here's the shirt. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is a medium. I really think the mediums are quite almost to a large, and they don't shrink. And they seem to use this same company, Cuteness, to do their monthly shirts, and I love how they wash. Sometimes they get thrown in the dryer, but I really try to avoid that. Oh my goodness, Levi's back. Here he is. Say hi. Oh, I love this cat so much. I can squeeze him. Here's your toys, buddy. Here, you want your toys? Here. There you go. Okay, he's happy now. You know, the more independent a cat is, the more I love him. I just do. I just love cats. I love dogs too, but I really love cats. Okay, the next item in the bag is a collection of socks. Wow, we got 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs of socks. I'm going to show you each one. They're little anklet socks. How adorable. They're so cute. So that's the first pair. Oh, like a little bookwormy cat. They're so cute. They're stretchy socks. Gotta love the stretchy socks. And I do a lot of walking, so this is a good sock for me to keep my tan on my legs. We got this cat. They're so cute. Oh, this is more of like an Argyle preppy sock. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? Adorable. And then the last pair. Kind of look like a grumpy cat, but a really cute cat. Very nice, very nice. I have to say, we've gotten socks before and I always enjoyed them. So let me give you the value. The value of the socks, 5 pairs, I'm going to round it up. $27.99. $28. T-shirt rounded up to $25. The toys are at $6 and $7 each. I don't know if you can see my little Levi. He's going to town on that toy. He loves it. Oh boy. Oh boy. So, okay, we got one more gift. This is for the wine lover, but you don't have to put your wine in here. You can put your milk. You can put your chocolate milk. You can put your coffee, because guess what? They gave us glass, and glass is very important. I mean, one time CatLadyBox gave us plastic, and but we got not one, but we got 2 glass mugs. Look at this. Is that adorable? It's adorable. Like that adorable blanket. You know what commercial I'm talking about. It's adorable. It's very cute. And you know, guys, I want to tell you, I don't earn, just in case you're wondering, I always gush over these boxes. I don't earn money for doing this. I do this free at my time. And when I give you links to their website, I don't get any affiliate money. It's just me being me, showing you the adorable prizes. We got 2 wine glasses. And I did go to their website. They have like, you know, like Christmas sales every day on various items. And I didn't see a code for the box, but you never know, they might put up a code. So that's that. So we got the 2 wine glasses. So make sure I didn't miss anything. We got the 2 wine glasses. The wine glasses were valued at, they call them Whisker wine glasses. Very cute, 20 bucks. We got 5 pairs of cute socks. We got 2 toys. Levi's playing with one of them, and here's the other one, very cute. And we got the really cute t-shirt. Really cute t-shirt. You might ask, Lisa, what do you do for all your t-shirts? I give some away, especially to my niece because she's a cat lover, or my son's girlfriend. And I keep the rest and I wear them all the time. I'm like t-shirt lady. My drawers are getting stuffed with t-shirts, but that's a good thing, you know? And yeah. Anyway, it's a Saturday here in South Florida. I'm looking outside. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. I hope where you live, it's nice. And if it's cold and snowy, I hope you're getting nice and toasty and having a good time with your family or even yourself, reading some good books. I'm a big bookworm. And that's about it. Thank you, CatLadyBox, for sending me the box. I so appreciate it, 100,000,000%. I so appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Have a great day.